A 40-question English quiz to test your vocabulary and grammar. Start now and see your level. Choose the closest meaning of collapse. Answer B. Fall down. Choose the synonym of patient. Answer A. Tolerant. Choose the antonym of aggression. Answer C. Peacefulness. What is the opposite of cruel? Answer A. Kind. What does bark up the wrong tree mean? Answer C. Wrong idea. What does be on the fiddle mean? Answer D. Fraud. What is the plural form of Scotsman? Answer C. Scotsman. What is the plural form of gazelle? Answer A. Gazelles. Fill in the blank. Answer D. He bought an umbrella and a hat from the shop. Complete the sentence. Answer B. He is as intelligent as his sister. What is the past form of abide? Answer C. Abode. What is the past tense of cast? Answer D. Cast. What is the second form of communicate? Answer A. Communicated. How do you spell this word? Answer C. Quietly. Select the correctly spelled word. Answer D. Interpret. Select the correct form. Answer B. Liberally. Opposite of contend. Answer D. Yield. What is the opposite of constrain? Answer A. Release. Opposite of adjoin. Answer B. Separate. Choose a synonym for often. Answer C. Frequently. Choose the synonym for enigmatic. Answer D. Mysterious. Find the best synonym of correlate. Answer B. Connect. What does win by a nose mean? Answer C. Barely win. What does take the mickey mean? Answer B. Mock. What does break even mean? Answer A. No profit. How do you write plural of atlas? Answer B. Atlases. What is the plural of wish? Answer D. Wishes. How do you write plural of tendency? Answer A. Tendencies. What is the plural form of vertex? Answer C. Vertices. Choose the past form of imitate. Answer A. Imitated. How do you form the past of forbid? Answer D. Forbade. Choose the past form of bereave. Answer B. Bereaved. What is the past of adapt? Answer A. Adapted. Fill in the blank. Answer D. She isn't a patient to wait for hours. Complete the phrase. Answer B. Legal proceedings resumed. Choose the correct preposition. Answer C. Could you lend me your book for a while? What's the correct spelling? Answer A. Abusive. Which spelling is correct? Answer D. Maintain. Which spelling is correct? Answer A. Autonomy. Spot the correct spelling. Answer C. Exactly. Congratulations! You did a great job. Tell us your score in the comments. Like and subscribe for more quizzes.